So it's interesting because actually I've never spoken to my grandparents in English before. Never.
He is my lovely grandson, Daniel.
Thank you. So today we've travelled to visit my grandparents in a little village in the Subcarpathian Voivodeship. I'm gonna ask my granddad, how's your English?
Oh, very, very slow. I don't use English, many years, but something, I remember something. But
So what do we have to do here? What do we need to do?
ladder.
I need to help my granddad.
3 parts ladder.
Whoa, like a 3-part ladder. What are we gonna do with it?
We put the ladder
We need to put it against.
against the wall
Exactly. Because why?
because there is leak,
Uh-huh.
and I must repair the leak.
In the gutter, yeah?
Yeah, in the gutter.
Okay, so let's do it. Anya, maybe could you hold the camera for a second? We're gonna put the ladder against the, let's say against the house. My granddad is a real handyman. You know what I mean? Like złota rączka, handyman.
Maybe silver.
Silver hand.
This way.
Okay.
Oh, okay, this way. Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Is that good?
Yeah, should be good.
Now, who's going up there? You or me?
Now I climb up.
Okay. Perfect.
I see.
Okay, see what's going on.
I must clean at first.
Okay.
Okay, that is
What do you think's gonna be up there? Just leaves or like what? Liście? What's gonna be like?
leaves and what is the
That's a good question. In Polish? Jak jest po polsku?
igły?
Oh, like
Igliwie.
I guess needles maybe?
Needles? I don't know. Igliwie.
All right. Shall I hold the ladder? Shall I hold it?
You can step here.
I'll keep my foot here.
Okay. Oh,
You're in good shape.
there is plenty of mess.
Really, a big mess.
Uh,
He's good, right? Consider he hasn't spoken in English for probably years. So while my granddad's working away, let me tell you a bit about him. He's, like I said, a real handyman. Anything around the house, anything to fix, build, make, he can pretty much do it all. And on a tight budget.
that is very old.
What's old?
77 past.
You're who's 77? You? He's 77. 77 years old. We'll talk to him more when he comes down because I don't want to distract him.
Give me the black red.
Yes, the black rag. He's got very good vocabulary.
More rag. That is
To dry it, yeah? To dry the gutter.
very wet. One moment.
Are you gluing it?
There is special roof glue.
Special roof glue. Are you coming down? Okay. Oh,
Behind you.
that's like a broom. A broom.
Broom?
Yeah.
Broom.
Broom. Are you gonna go up again?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, that's what you found up there basically.
Oh, where is that? That is the cover.
What cover?
The red one.
Oh.
Cover.
Oh yeah. Oh, there we go.
Too much vertical.
Uh-huh.
The angle is more safety. Angle is
So let's move it. Shall we move it?
close to 75%
Degrees.
degrees. Sorry.
Yeah. And right now it's like, I don't know. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's too vertical. It's not that safe.
But the plus is the push on the gutter is slower, is smaller.
Uh-huh.
It is more vertical.
Right, that makes sense. So you won't break the gutter.
Yeah.
Makes sense. The more vertical it is, the less pressure there is on the gutter.
We must use the log, because the level is slope.
Oh yeah.
It's not even level.
Yeah. Just one or how many? The long one?
At first we move the ladder.
Okay, let's move the ladder.
This one will be okay.
Should be good. So it's interesting because actually I've never spoken to my grandparents in English before. Never. So there's always a first time for everything. And it's the first time we're speaking English. So that's really cool actually. And I'm truly impressed. 70 plus, you know. Lives in Poland, hasn't spoken English in ages. And just still is able to communicate quite effectively. Hej, jeśli podoba Ci się ten filmik, podoba Ci się mojego dziadka angielski, zostaw like, komentarz i suba. To pokazuje algorytmowi, że to jest wartościowy filmik i że kolejna osoba powinna go też obejrzeć. Thank you, dzięki.
Okay, thank you very much, Danny.
You're welcome. Thank you
Will be
for the experience.
enough for today.
But we have to put the ladder back.
Yeah, there is no problem back. Worse is
Putting it up.
that
So-
will be good fertilizer
Oh, okay.
to
For
Raspberry.
raspberries, yeah?
yeah.
Should we do it now?
Yeah.
All right, let me grab that bucket. There we go. So why is this good?
Behind the fence.
Okay, why is this good fertilizer?
Yeah, because there is acid.
Oh, acid.
fertilizer, Yeah.
Kwas?
Yes.
Okay,
Mashna.
let's do this. So this is the raspberry, yeah?
Yeah, there are the early raspberries.
What about blueberries? Also acid?
Yes,
Okay.
very acid.
Fantastic. So when is the last time you spoke English?
Over 5 years ago
Okay. Where was that? Where?
in Scotland.
Scotland. You lived in Scotland, right?
Yeah, I live in Scotland. I lived in Scotland 15 years maybe.
Wow. Really? Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was 15.
But in Scotland that is amazing country, you know.
Why do you...
Good people.
Good people.
Yeah. But each part speak different accent,
Yeah.
dialect.
Dialect, accent, everything. Yeah, it's true.
My friend from Inverness said me, if I said him, I move from Inverness to Glasgow, he said, oh, I was maybe 2-3 times in Glasgow, but I don't understand the Glasgow people enough.
Crazy. Crazy. What about in America? You spoke a bit of English?
In America, that is 20 years ago, maybe
Yeah.
more.
More. Yeah, more.
Yeah. English is a good language, you know, it's more easily like Polish.
Hmm.
Then more people speak English, no Polish. You know, Polish very difficult for foreign people.
Very much so. Yes, it is.
Sh, ch, j, j, j.
It's true.
There are small nuances.
Yes. There are. It's
The
true.
foreign people don't able keep the nuances. You know, which is
Grasp,
rasp.
we can say. And what did you do in America? What kind of jobs?
I was a sprinkler man.
What does that mean? What's a sprinkler man? Like, what did you install sprinklers or fix them or
Yeah,
installation, repair?
we put in the ground new lines, all new system, or repair. You know, my friend was serve maybe 100 customers, and each spring, all summer, we go around and repair everything.
Because in America there are lots of sprinklers, right?
Yeah, everywhere.
There you go.
Rainbird or hunter.
Is that the name of the system?
Yeah, that's name
Like a
of systems.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Do you have like a favorite tree? Like a type of tree? Silly question.
Mówisz o drzewie?
Yes.
Sometimes I cut. You know, I must cut.
But do you like, what's your favorite tree? Ulubiony rodzaj drzewa, I'm asking. Do you have one?
Maple,
Maple.
oak, sometimes bird.
Let me tell you something. I remember from in America, when we still lived in America, you used to catch butterflies.
Because on the backyard
Yeah.
where we stay,
Yeah.
there was a big bush, Budleia davida.
Budleia davida. It's called a English name, butterfly bush.
Butterfly bush.
Budleia, yeah,
Sometimes
Budleia.
people say same, you know, motyli krzew.
Yeah, butterfly bush.
Yes.
I learned something new today. So yeah, in America we had some butterfly bushes.
Oh yeah, the monarch,
Yeah, big one.
big one, and
How-
the black ones.
How did you catch the big one? Because your hands are too small, right?
By hand.
By hand.
You know, they sit here.
And then you dried them up. I remember you had some kind of like.
Yeah, but you know, there is you must special care about it. You know, we go to America and live in Poland. The butterflies and small worms,
Really?
1 millimeters long. You know,
Ate them.
go in and eat from inside,
Wow.
and all the dust drop down.
Really?
And one wing fall out. Fall
Wing,
down,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah. What? So yeah, we used to like frame them and dry them up. But so the butterflies in America were better, more types than in Poland. Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. Well, remember when in the summer here when we saw
Paźreglarz.
Paźreglarz. Yes, that was a nice one. That was a nice one.
Yeah.
As you can see, my granddad's English is very good. Very good.
No.
It's very impressive. You speak better English than a lot of Polish
I must
people.
speak more. I should be better and better, but now, you know.
We can speak more in English. Just
If
to.
I speak English, I remember more words.
Of course,
But
of course. In language, it's like you use it or you lose it. So you have to use it. Otherwise, you lose it.
yeah.
Yeah. So imagine what my granddad's English used to be like, you know. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you know, give us a like for my granddad. So, thanks granddad.
Yeah.